Good morning. Today we're taking a look at the iPhone 16e. I was really impressed with my previous iPhone SE, which I used for almost 5 years, and it's still going strong. One big reason for that is that at the time it was released, it came with the latest processor. That, along with Apple's long-term I/O support, helped ensure its longevity. It is what I call the SE recipe, so top-tier performance packed into an older, or let's say familiar design. But this year, Apple didn't release a new iPhone SE. Instead, we got the iPhone 16e. Still, the iPhone 16e continues the SE tradition. The latest A18 chip in the body of an older design, specifically the iPhone 14. The downside is that at $599, it's more expensive than the last SE. Some people are even joking that the E in 16e stands for expensive. But let's see what we're actually getting. So, this is the black version, as indicated by the black apple here. And it comes in this thin box. So let's open this. So we have the phone here. We have a SIM ejector tool and a USB-C cable. And that's it. No paperwork or anything. So I guess no stickers for us this year. So we have the phone here. Let's just remove this cover. So here's the phone. Up front, we have a 6.1-inch OLED display. And then we have the top speaker, earpiece here, a 12-megapixel camera, and a bunch of sensors. So at the lower portion, there's no home button, so this one has Face ID. So the sides are made of flat aluminum, so at the top there's really nothing. And on the side, there's no more mute switch. There's just the action button, which you can assign actions to. And then you have the volume up and volume down. And then you have a SIM tray. On the other side, you just have the power button. So no camera control button here. At the bottom, you have the bottom speaker, the microphone, and a USB-C port. So no more lightning port. At the back, we have frosted glass. So this one actually supports wireless charging. But there's actually no MagSafe, which is a bummer because I've come to like MagSafe. But it's fine because you can actually add MagSafe quite easily. And I have a tutorial for that. And then up here, we have a 48-megapixel camera and the rear microphone, and then the flash. And that's about it. So overall, I'd say the build quality is good. It stays true to the SE philosophy, a good balance of quality, performance, and to some extent value. While it may not have the latest features found in higher-end models, its powerful A18 chip, quality build, and expected long-term I/O support makes it a smart pick for anyone who wants an iPhone that will last. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below, and thank you for watching.